Jurassic Park.
Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we are looking at the Jurassic Park PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. The Jurassic Park PowerPoint game is made by Mitch Craig of the Weigu Forum, and I'll put a link in the comment section below the video for your free PPT download. The start screen is a selection of letters of which you have to choose one to go to a question. Students answer the question. If they get it incorrect, select the red dinosaur. If they get it correct, select the green dinosaur to go to a reward or points deduction screen. Points are denoted by the amount of bullets that they receive. To go back to the home screen, click on the Jurassic Park logo in the bottom right. Apart from the bullet point reward screen, there are also other special events. Well, that was the end of our Jurassic Park PowerPoint game walkthrough. Remember, if you like the video, please consider subscribing to our channel and to go to the description comment box below the video to be able to get your free PPT download. Thanks and goodbye.